Through the box. Oh wait, I'm gonna show them our course first. It's more confusing than it looks. Okay, go. Now go through the bag. Through the bag, not. Yeah, there. Here, not here. No, don't go sideways. Go that way. I think it just knocked you over.
What?
Okay, come on. Keep going straight. If you touch my foot, you're going the wrong way. No. Okay. You know I'm showing this to a lot of people, right?
What?
Okay, go.
I don't know what I'm
Here.
doing.
Here, go right through that box, right here. Oh, too bad you can't go through the one I broke.
Here?
Okay, you were just at it. Now go through here. Yes.
Can you take the sleeping bag off around my butt?
Nope. Now go through here. Go. Now keep going straight.
Oh, and my phone's falling out. Can you hold my phone?
Yep. Or not.
How do I get out?
Here, now go straight. Okay, go straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Ah! I almost ruined everything. Okay, now turn right.
Ow.
Okay. Yes. Now turn. What was that? Okay. Now go straight. Okay. Keep going through there.
Ow.
No. Okay, now keep turning. Okay, you have to go through a box inside a box. I don't know why it's in here. Okay, now go through this box. Okay,
I'm a kitty cat.
no, it's meow. I'm a potato.
I'm a potato.
Hey, that's my thing.
Fine. Now I'm a dog.
That's just.
I'm a cow.
I'm showing those people. You know that, right?
Did you get my face while I was saying that?
Yep.
Oh god. I hope you people enjoy
Now,
this.
don't go through that box.
Don't tell me what to.
Go that way. Oh, your phone just fell out of my pocket.
It landed on my head.
Yeah, no, go through. There. Through here. Yes, there. Keep going through.
What?
Keep going through. Now through this box. Go straight. No, go a bit more straight and keep going straight. And then there. Now turn. Yeah. I can do that folding.
What?
Go. We have 2 minutes. Okay. Now just skip that box. Now come on. Keep going straight. Okay. Now turn. Through this box. Yes, through this tiny box. And then through the other box. Hurry. I have a minute before this thing stops on me. Okay, go through this box. Come on. Come on, hurry. Through the bag.
The bag.
Here, I have it out. I have it open. Go through. Not with the box on you. Okay, take the box. Oh.
Yeah.
Lift your feet up. That works. Okay, wait. Now you gotta. Okay, stay right here, and then you gotta ram towards my voice as hard as you can. Right here. Go. It's just a bit further. Just a bit further. Okay. Here.
Where? Oh. Bye.
No. You gotta go like this now. now.
Ow.
I see you.
Fine.